Sellers, ready to take your business India se दुनिया तक? Here's how the right e-commerce channel can enable the success of your exports business. When expanding to a new marketplace, you can build your own website or start selling through existing e-commerce programs. Here's how the two channels can benefit your e-commerce exports business. Building your own website means you can build a brand store with your own domain name and through your own website. It allows you to manage order processing, shipping, transportation, and customer service on your own. This may require a high initial upfront investment to drive traffic to your website, get conversions, generate orders, and retain customers. Using an e-commerce program means selling on an existing e-commerce website. This can be a convenient path, especially for new sellers. E-commerce programs can provide access to existing traffic, resources, and tools to drive sales and promote conversion. New sellers can access logistics support and customer service assistance through the e-commerce program. This can reduce upfront costs and ease the entry into e-commerce exports. Amazon Global Selling is an e-commerce program that enables sellers like you to register and sell on 18+ global marketplaces, including the US, UK, UAE, Australia, France, Germany, and more. Amazon Global Selling has registered 150,000+ exporters from 200+ cities across India. Get support for all your export logistics and compliance requirements so that you can focus on growing your business. You can register today with Amazon Global Selling and unlock incentives worth up to $50,000. This includes 10% back on your first $50,000 in branded sales, then 5% back through your first year until you reach $1 million, $200 credit towards fulfillment costs when you use Amazon Global Selling Send, $400 credit for inbound placement costs, free storage and customer returns with auto-enrollment in the FBA New Selection Program, and $50 credit to create sponsored products or sponsored brands ads. This offer is limited to selling on Amazon US, UK, France, Italy, Spain, or Germany marketplaces. Terms and conditions apply. Amazon Global Selling also supports you every step of the way on your exports journey. With Amazon Global Selling, you can get assistance for export documentation, get guidance on documents required for registration, product, shipping, tax, and payment reconciliation with Amazon Export Navigator. Access hassle-free global logistics. With Fulfillment by Amazon, FBA, you can store your products in Amazon Global Fulfillment Centers while we pick, pack, ship your customer orders, and provide customer service. Get service for every need. Explore and get support from our network of qualified third-party service providers. They can help you with everything you need to register, manage, and grow your export business across the world. Get noticed with advertising. To increase visibility and sales on international marketplaces, Amazon offers advertising where exporters can run sponsored ads, sponsored brands, and display ads. Protect and grow your global brand. Amazon helps brands of all types and sizes build, grow, and protect their business by offering tools like A+ content and brand registry. Upgrade your skills with webinars. Attend webinars, events, and watch training videos to optimize your exports business that help you no matter where you are in your seller journey. Ready to go global? Learn more about Amazon Global Selling on the link below and start your exports journey today. Happy selling!